Very simple VPN application here. All you got to do, tap on the connection button here. Will show a few ads. Just no much watch off the ads, and just tap on this here. Then you may see an X at the top here as well. Just give it some time and tap on this again. Tap on the X. Once you have done that, VPN will start connecting and you'll be connected in no time. So once it finalizes your connection, then tap on click to connect, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. It's very easy to use, straightforward, and it will ask for connection request. Tap on OK and you'll be connected in no time. So that's really pretty much it, and you do need to add time from time to time, so you're gonna need to watch ads to add some connection there. But that's really pretty much it for this VPN connection. Very easy to use, nothing much. You don't have any option to choose any server or anything like that. But yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.